Discuss the topic of chatbots. So first, introduction. The advent of advanced technologies such as AI-powered chatbots warrants businesses to effectively leverage this opportunity for high engagement and conversation. According to TDU, almost 1.5 million people had at least one conversation with the chatbot within the past year. So, So, this is true. Kaya kita man galing ibasa student mo gamit na kay chatbot. Kaya mag-search yung mga information, mga inquiries nga nang nila tumibawaan. So, chatbots is effectively leverage this opportunity for high engagement and conversation. So, next, so this is the example of chatbots. So, kanang diha, example any funds, mga Gemini, mga ChatGPT, CC, Meta, ang pinakakuan, hindi mo i-load, Meta, then basta, then, so dito, mag-search, magkuhan ka o mga inquiries nga wala naman ibawa, din siya, magtubag po siya, based sa imo ang pamutana. Then, what is chatbot? A chatbot is a computer or software program stimulating human conversation or conversing through text or voice interaction. So, di ba, like I said kanina, this is, mamutana ka dito, tubag po siya based sa imong question. They follow defined set of rules to respond to customers commonly asked queries or use artificial intelligence (AI) and natural language processing or NLP to mimic real life or human-like conversation. So, ang chatbot is designed to imitate the way a real person can communicate using natural language to understand and generate appropriate responses. So, kaning sa NLP or natural language processes, this is to understand and interpret my inquiries and to respond the human language in a natural conversation way. So, muna siya, gatong pag-type sa imong questions, dito mo, pagkala mo, generate mo dito siya answer. So, muna dahil siya, kanang iya pong answer is, kanang question sa imong then, kanang in a natural conversation way. Mura ba siya ang tao? Musabay siya sa imong pumunta na dito. I am sad today, what I'm going to do din. Hatag siya mga information. Kanin mo ang ay buhaton para hindi ka masad, para ma-happy ka. Then, next is, what is a chatbot? Based on their functioning principles, chatbots use different technologies to perform. Today, most businesses use chatbots to engage with their website, visitors, prospects, or customers to answer FAQs, fax questions. Then generate leads and provide order details. So, di ba, nowadays, we are in advanced technology. So, in making kanang naka mga inquiries like sa mga business nga wala ka profit sa hotel, manguhan ka, mag-search nimo dito sa pila ang price sa usa ka room or the example sa Tweet Economy. So makita na dito kung pila ang iyang price. Then kuan pud siya kanang kung magkuan kaning so through that ma-answer nimo ang imong questions nga wala ka kabalo or curious ka about on that about that thing. So ma-answer ang imong kuan pangutana through chatbots and internet. I think that's also to provide more details siya kanang sa imong mga inquiries. I think that's all.
Dina, go.
So this is the continuation of report ni Ms. Marate. How do chatbot work? So understand the given query, they analyze stored information and algorithm-based system. Balik ka.
Pwede mo naman i-double click para bitaw dili mo muna.
Ito nga yung So next is, it uses a database or keyword-based system where a selected, suggested, input term triggers the predefined information to answer the customer query. However, with AI information, this process becomes more sophisticated, complex, and nuanced, even though it is still based on the following 3 steps. So kani siya is take option not like choose your own adventure book. So you pick option and it takes you to the next page with more options. Some chatbots are smarter and can understand what you want even you don't follow. So kani siya is magamit gyapon ni siya bisag aw kanang mo reply jud ang chatbot bisag pa o dili masaktuan mo ang mga words. Next is how do chatbot work? Train on available or feed large data sets to understand the given query or message. Analyze. Ay, wala na siya ka-train without na naging sa kung ano pa ang steps ngayon siya na train on available or feed large data sets to understand given query or message. And then next is analyze the relevant and correct information for an inclusive answer for the asked query. Third is uses text analysis or cognition. Natural language process. And the ML is katong machine learning. So makatabang po rin siya para sa pag-process. Next is history and evolution of AI chatbot. Alyssa was the first chatbot created by 1996. It used conventional yet game charter system like pattern machine and substitution methodology to make unique and human conversation. So see, Alyssa is the first chatbot create and developer them in 1996.
Ano ba ni ang first chatbot nga na-invent no?
Oh.
Kanang Lisa?
Okay,
Yes.
kani si Alyssa.
Parang di mo na kasi Joseph Vincent Go.
These are the types of evolution of chatbot. One is say Eliza. Year 1966. Developer Joseph Within mo? Mo ba na?
Sana pagbasa.
Theory?
Pari. Pari?
Pari. Year in 1972. Developer Ellen
Colby. Colby?
Colby. 3.
Jabberwocky? Jabberwocky?
Year in 1988. Rollo Carpenter. And next is Dr. Bitso. Year 1992. Creative Labs. And next is Alice or ALICE. 1995. The deliverer is Richard Wallace. And next is Smarter Child. Year in 2001. Developer Active Body INC.
Incorporation.
Incorporation. Next is Siri. Siri ba?
Siri.
Siri.
Open the line.
2010 and developer Apple.
Apo.
Next is Google.
Si Alexa.
Now or Google Assistant.
Si Alexa, Google.
2012. Developer of Google.
Oo. Ay, Amazon.
And
Amazon
next
dahil si
is
Alexa. Sabi ko Google.
Cortana.
Amazon dahil si Alexa.
Year 2014. The developer of
Si Alexa ba? Amazon
And
dahil
next
sabi ko
is
Google.
Alexa. Year in 2014. Developer of Amazon. The next is ChatGPT. Year in 2021. And
Yes,
developer of
sister.
Gemini.
ChatGPT.
The next is Google GPT.
Gemini.
Year in 2023.
Mag-edit og picture.
Developer of Google.
Or cool.
The next is Microsoft Pilot.
Pilot.
In 2023, the developer of Microsoft. And types of chatbots. Menu-based chatbots, role-based chatbots, keyword recognition-based chatbots, AI-powered chatbots, contextual chatbots, hybrid chatbots, generative AI chatbots, and voice-enabled chatbots. Types of chatbots and their use cases. One is menu or button-based chatbots. Menu or button-based chatbots allow users to access a series of options or buttons to resolve queries.
Asan?
Inquiries.
Mga inquiries.
Inquiries. Queries. Mga questions ba?
Queries or provide requested information. And you can consider them detailed and interactive buttons or menu-driven FAQs within your customer service toolkit. They are most simplistic and in their design and use case, which is detailed for business that one straightforward customer interaction. Open pa na.
Types of chatbots and their uses cases. The rule-based chatbot, hotel booking example. Example, a hotel website uses a rule-based chatbot with a fixed menu options. When a guest asks to book a room, the bot only responds using a preset buttons like check room availability, room rates, location, and amenities. If the guest types something outside the set rules, example, can I check in early if my flight arrives at 5 a.m.? The bot cannot answer and simply says, please choose from the available options. Keyword recognition based chatbots. For example, hotel booking example. A hotel chatbot looks for keyword like booking, price, available, suite, check-in, and etc. If a guest types, "Do you have rooms available this weekend?" it detects room plus available and replies with availability options. But if a guest writes it differently, "Is there any chance I can stay from Saturday to Monday?" it still understands because it identifies keywords related to the stay. AI-powered NLP chatbots in hotel booking example. A hotel uses an AI chatbot that understands natural sentences like, "I want to book a room for my family, preferably with a breakfast and sea view." The bot can suggest the right room type, offer family packages, provide add-ons like breakfast, show available sea view rooms, and it can also learn from the past interaction. Example, the user prefers deluxe rooms. Contextual chatbots for hotel booking example. A returning guest chat again with hotel's advanced contextual chatbot. It remembers previous stays and preferences so it can say, "Welcome back, last time you booked a deluxe sea view rooms for 2 nights. Would you like to reserve the same room this weekend?" It uses past data and current conversation to give personalized and accurate and natural booking assistance.
So, this is the continuation of the type of chatbots under use cases. Nanato sa hybrid chatbots. So, what do you mean by hybrid? Kasi na yung idea. Hybrid. Ano hybrid? So, ganito, would you say? Sa idea lang, idea and opinion.
Kaya ako, ang hybrid is combining or merging one different AI-powered chatbots.
Perfect. Very good. Round of applause to Carla. Very good. So, hybrid is kana siyang combination. So, nana siya duha ka combination. So, pareha ikuha na to kaya nang di ba og magkuhan ta og sa animals panangitan, mag-breeding ta. Di ba og i-combine mo ang duha ka breeding. So, nay mabuo nga isa tawag siya hybrid.
Oh.
So, there is an AI. So, hybrid chatbots are a combination of the rule-based and AI-powered chatbot system offers the much more versatile approach of user interaction. So, nasa combination sa rule-based and AI-powered. So, kini siya mga chatbot is different from other. So, mas kuha siya, mas powerful siya nga.
Mas high ang iyang kuan kay kuan man siya naman siya combination.
So, number 7 is the generative AI chatbots. Generative AI chatbots have the capacity to auto-generate unique responses of the real-time instead of choosing from the predefined one, making the conversation more nuanced, detailed, and informative. So, sa generative AI, kuan mo siya. So, auto-generate. So, mo-generate na siya mga information kung unsa ang imong mga question o
inquire.
pangutanan nimo dito. So, mo-response na siya. Dili magbuka siya parang sa atong cellphone, may natin app sa ana. So, every student, dili na siya same o answer.
Oh, pero
So, wala siya, wala na siya og unique response. Sa kung sa imo ang ipa-define saya, panalitan ipa-define nimo ana. What is AI? So, mutubag na sa dito din. Napaka-follow up question. Imo siyang please kuan ka nang specify the meaning. Ayan na, so muhatag gyud na siya og answer. So, the last but not the least, ang ka-8 na types is the voice-enabled chatbots. The voice chatbots use spoken language powered by voice recognition technologies to communicate with high-level
through your voice.
No need na din siya i-type. So, less hassle na siya kaya di na din ka mag-type-type. So, ingon na rin is the handle the multitask users. So, karamihan if nag-computer ka rin, dapat kayo ilihog din nga line of papers, no work, then kailangan na itong naipangutana na kayo na sabdan sa imong work. Then, kung ipangutana ka, so pwede na rin mo siya i-click ang voice or kaning voice chatbot na imong gamiton para mo na lang siyang istorya. So, what is ano, and how to solve this. So, dili na ka pwede na mag-focus kung saan kaya mo ka dito. At so, at the same time,
Naka-save kag time.
Then, na-answeran ko dahil mga kuan. Questions. So, let's proceed in the why chatbots for hospitality. So, who can tell me ngano chatbots for hospitality or unsa ang ikatabang sa chatbots sa our industry, which is the hospitality. Hello. So, Luis, do you have any idea or opinion about that? No one from the class?
Go.
The idea is to para magpadali ang mga trabaho nila ko. Like sa ACADS nga magkala maglisod dito tag pa-work sa ato ang brain cells. We need to the chatbots like CC to make some answers of that. So magpadali na lang.
Thank you very much. Please a round of applause, please. Thank you very much.
Also, kuan kaning sa chatbots. So nowadays kaning kuan chatbot is very important samot na sa hospitality. Kay example, magkuan ka, no need to kuan na siya. Karbitang no need to write o pwede na siya nimo i-voice. Bisag na kay trabaho diri pwede like I said para sa imong gingon ganina nga pwede ra siya voice recognition, pwede ra kanimo ikuan didto ang voice recognition dayon kuan. So di ba less hassle siya then if you don't nakagigama sa nakaisa ka task nga gigama nabuhat pud nimo tong isa ka kuan di ba? So
And para
multitask siya.
Laziness.
Oo. Ay.
So, why chatbots for hospitality? First, guests expect 24 hours instant service and mobile first experiences. So, first, of course, as a guest, ganahan kita na 24/7 service or ma-provide the high quality service nga ma-provide sa tuwa sa hotel or sa restaurant na atong atuan. So, di ba, mas ganahan ng taan ang nga mas dagha basta high ang service quality nila. Di ba? Sa last topic kami nato, di ba, sa innovation. So, ang high quality of service is nano sa ilan to percent? Like
68 plus.
Kaya ang 68 is satisfaction tao. So, sorry guys. So, with the help of chatbots, so pwede ta makakuan og service. Even natay trabaho yung tumalain, but ang sa mobile first experiences. So, naman ang ubang mga hotels and restaurants is sila mga robot, di ba?
Yes.
Jollibot.
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 Ano sila yung robot nga roaming around.
Magatod sa mga orders.
And mag-collect sa mga bus out.
Oo.
So, next is labor pressure and peak hour service increased cost. So, sa labor pod, ganun na about the guests. So, karon sa labor pod, so, sa mga trabahan dito sa mga waitress or sa peak hour, of course, so diha na ang hours na daghan ng mga tao na mag-abot. So, mas busy na ang mga tao, so mga personnel. So, sa tabang sa chatbots, mas mapadali ang
Ang ilang mga trabaho. magbalik-balik siya. Nanalo siya yung brand loyalty.
Brand loyalty. Then, sa personalized stay, so, ingagay na ako nga, balik-balik na din ang mga guests. Kaya ganaan sila mo stay dito because of the service. So, next is the automate repetitive tasks and free staff for high-touch interaction. So, Mariani, one of the best example